Today, I'm going to show you how to set up an AI that messages every single person who comments on your post, automatically, in under 10 minutes. No code, no tech skills. And the best part, it works while you sleep. This is the exact system we use at AI Suite to turn comments into conversations, and conversations into customers. Let me walk you through it, step by step. Step 1. Get your tool ready. The tool is called ManyChat. It's free to start. It connects to your Facebook page, your Instagram, even your website. You go to ManyChat.com, sign up with your Facebook account, and connect the page you want to use. Takes about 2 minutes. Do that now. I'll wait. Step 2. Create the automation. In ManyChat, find the section called Automation. This is where the magic happens. You click Create New Automation and you pick a trigger. The trigger we want is called Comment. That means every time someone comments on your post, the automation fires. That's the whole game. Someone comments, the AI wakes up. Step 3. Choose your keywords. Here's the clever part. You don't reply to every comment the same way. You choose trigger words. Words like price, how much, more info, help, book, cost. When someone comments one of those words, they're telling you they're interested. They're basically raising their hand and saying, I want to know more. So your automation watches for those words, and when it sees one, it sends a direct message, automatically. Step 4. Write your message. This is where you turn a comment into a conversation. Your message should do 3 things. Say thanks, explain what you do, and give them a next step. Here's the exact message we use. Hey, thanks for reaching out. We help UK tradesmen save 15 hours a week with AI agents. Reply 1 for a demo, 2 for a free strategy session, 3 for pricing. Simple, friendly, and it gives them a choice. People love choices. Step 5. Turn it on. Once your message is ready, you hit that big button that says Go Live, and that's it. Your AI is now working. Every comment that matches your keywords gets a direct message, every single one. While you're on a job, while you're asleep, while you're having dinner. Here's why this matters. Most business owners post content and hope. They hope someone comments. They hope someone messages them. They hope they reply fast enough. You don't hope anymore. Your AI answers in seconds. And the first business to reply wins the customer. That's not a guess. That's just how it works. Step 6. Scale it. Once this is running, you can copy it. New post, same automation. New product, change the message. New platform, Instagram works the same way. One automation, running forever, turning every comment into a conversation. Now, if you want the full setup, the exact keywords, the exact messages, the exact prompts, I've put it all in the Automation Blueprint Pack. It's 100 ready-made templates. Email, leads, calls, SEO, support, everything copy-paste. Link is in the description. And if you want me to build it for you, just say the word. 30-day money-back guarantee. No risk. That's it. You now know how to turn comments into customers with AI. Go set it up. And if you get stuck, drop a comment below. I read every single one. See you in the next video.